Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fascinating and perhaps lesser-known facts about women. We often think we know a lot, but history and science are full of surprises. So, let's get right into it and uncover some incredible truths you might not have heard before. First up, let's talk about the brain. Did you know that on average, the corpus callosum, which is the bundle of nerves connecting the brain's left and right hemispheres, is thicker in women than in men? Some scientists believe this might contribute to women's ability to multitask more effectively. It's not about one being better than the other, just that our brains are wired slightly differently, leading to unique strengths. Think about it. Juggling work, family, and personal projects? Maybe that thicker brain bridge has something to do with it. Next, let's travel back in time. Have you ever heard of the computers of Harvard? In the late 1800s, before electronic computers existed, the Harvard College Observatory hired a group of women to process astronomical data. These brilliant women, including figures like Annie Jump Cannon and Henrietta Swan Leavitt, were literally called computers. Their meticulous work led to groundbreaking discoveries, like how to classify stars and measure distances in space. They laid the foundation for modern astronomy, yet their stories were often overlooked in history books. They weren't just assisting. They were the engines of discovery. Now for a biological fun fact. Women generally have a more sensitive sense of smell than men. This is likely due to having more cells in the olfactory bulb, the brain region responsible for processing smells. This heightened sense can be even more pronounced during certain times like pregnancy. It's an evolutionary advantage that could have helped our ancestors identify safe foods and detect potential dangers. So, the next time a woman in your life says she can smell something you can't, she probably can. Let's switch gears to something more modern, the world of coding. While the tech industry today is often seen as male-dominated, you might be surprised to learn that the very first computer programmer was a woman. Ada Lovelace, a mathematician in the 19th century, wrote the world's first machine algorithm for an early computing machine that her friend Charles Babbage had designed. She envisioned a future where machines could do more than just calculate numbers, imagining they could create music and art. Her vision was 100 years ahead of its time, and she's rightly considered a pioneer of the digital age. Here's another one that might surprise you. Women tend to have a better memory for faces. Research has shown that women often outperform men in facial recognition tests. This could be linked to social and evolutionary factors, where recognizing friends, foes, and family members was crucial for social cohesion and survival. It's a subtle superpower that plays a huge role in our daily interactions, helping to build and maintain social networks. And how about resilience? Studies in immunology have found that the female immune system is often more robust. Women's bodies can be quicker to detect pathogens and mount a stronger defense. While this can sometimes lead to a higher risk for autoimmune diseases, where the immune system becomes overactive, it also means women often have a better response to infections and live longer on average than men. It's a complex trade-off, but it highlights the incredible strength built into the female body. Finally, let's talk about emotions. It's a common stereotype that women are more emotional, but the reality is more nuanced. Studies show that men and women experience emotions at similar frequencies, but culture and social norms often dictate how they are expressed. Women are often socialized to be more open with their feelings, while men are encouraged to suppress them. But the inner emotional world is just as rich and complex for everyone. Recognizing this helps us move beyond stereotypes and connect on a more human level. So there you have it. From brains wired for multitasking to pioneering the computer age and having super senses. These are just a few of the countless untold stories and facts about women. That's a reminder that there is always more to learn and that history and science are full of incredible contributions from everyone. I hope you found these facts as interesting as I did. What's a fascinating fact you know that we didn't cover? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.